ZoanCash.com. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? Let's take a look at some things. But first, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog for you to check out. Hit the notification bell as well to be notified of new videos coming out. I upload quite frequently. Anyways, let's take a look at this. All right, so this is a website that just popped up, ZoanCash.com. Make $300 daily. ZoanCash is the #1 influencer network that lets you monetize your friends and followers. Get paid up to $15 for every follower or friend you invite. And then down here it says they'll give you a $25 bonus once you register. Share your unique link, your unique link from your dashboard to $10 for every person you invite, and so on. Withdraw your money from Cash App, PayPal, Bitcoin, and even mailed check. All right, so let's see top owners or earners here. What number is this? Total paid. It's like $1 billion, $2 billion. Wait, let's see here. $211 million paid, they claim. All right, so if you've been watching my channel for a while, you already know about these kind of sites. So let's just dive in here. First of all, that's a lot of money that they paid out, they claim, about us. So scroll down here. In the beginning, they began on March 2008. 12 years ago, they claim. However, what is very interesting is when you go to the Whois database, ZoanCash.com, they were created 3/5/2020, the website. That's this month. Today's March, what is it? March 29th, 2020. So that's very shady, wouldn't you agree? Let me know in the comments below. It's just, I just can't with these sites. There's so many sites like this. They have these payment proofs here. All these payments they say they paid out. And, you know, the date's here, February 20th. But yet the website was created in March. So, I mean, I don't know. That's very shady. And there's not much else on this site to go by. But these social network site links go nowhere. Sign up. I haven't even tried to sign up yet. But I guarantee these pages go nowhere. Yeah, you can click on the terms of service that you're supposed to agree to. And it just goes right to a login page. So you're supposed to accept this. But there's no pages for this. There's no privacy policy. So they throw these sites up real quick. They try to scam people. They get a bunch of people's information. They've been known to hack into different accounts and stuff. I've reviewed, let's see here. I reviewed a bunch of other sites like this. I have a playlist here. Scam or legit, you can check out. Some stuff is legit, some scams. But there's so many other sites just like this. Like Cloud OG, King Ransom, Earn and Go, Netcash, Easy Bucks. Shout Now. So many of these websites. Tap to Earn is another one. OG Dollars. Use to Earn is another one. They're all clones of one another. They all say the same crap. I mean, I knew it was not legit as soon as I looked at it, but I just want to show you guys. And I know some of you people were like, well, wait a minute, you didn't even try the site, how could you say it's not legit? Because I've had these comments on my other videos before where they go on to this, you know, oh, they said they're going to pay me, you know, in 2 weeks, and then 2 weeks happens and then you never get paid. So, you know, trust me, I know. If you want to try it out, go ahead. But you're going to waste your time. You're going to possibly get a lot of spam, try to hack into your PayPal account or whatever. That's what they do. So anyways, let me know what you think. Let me show you some legit offers while you're here anyways. Actually, you know what? I'll just put a link in the video description below. I got a bunch of apps that you're going to want to check out. If you want to make some real quick cash today, right now, I'll put a link in the video description below. You can go to this website here. I have a bunch of offers here where you get a bunch of free stuff for signing up for apps. You get $5 when you sign up for this one, or you get referrals, I mean. Uber, free Uber lifts and rides and stuff like that, $10. There's a bunch of stuff here. Free stocks, free cryptocurrencies, mining cryptocurrencies and such. So check it out, and you could even put your referral links on this site as well. But that is all for today, folks. I have a bunch of other cool offers to make money online too, like a legitimate business if you want to start, you know, check those things out too. They're all in the video description below, the links. So that is all for now. I will talk to you soon.